Sorry. This is squared. No, I made a mistake. Sorry for erasing this squared. This is actually squared. RTS squared, R squared sub ds. This is equal to square root of I sub y. This is the moment of inertia. C sub w. This is the warping um, coefficient over the elastic section modulus. And for the this is actually z sub x is actually plastic section modulus, no? Plastic section modulus, which is equal to the area divided by 2 times the distance, which is the small a distance between the centroid, no? And this z sub x can also be found in the table, no, directly, but we already discussed this one sa previous nga videos nga akong gi-post. So z sub x is, for example, that is W16 by pila to, W16 by W14 by 68. So in W16 by 48, okay, natin siya sa bus, no? We try to look for the Z, no? By 6W14, sorry, by 68. This one. So, wala kay makita. I think na siya sa ikaduha. W14 by 68, the value for Z, no? Sub x is equal to 115. So, mana siya? Then, next is determine, or we have to proceed to the second condition with embrace length of 20 feet with z sub b 1.0. First is we have to determine the value of the L sub b, L sub p and L sub r, no? L sub p and L sub r. So to do that, the L sub p, as discussed, no, in the previous slides, is equal to 1.676 ry, r sub y. This is the radius of gyration is square root of e over fy. The radius of gyration can be found in the table, no? So, tanaw ninyo, that is part 1 of the manual thing that can be found in table 1-1. For W14 by 68, R sub y is equal to 2.46. So, the value for L sub p, no, since we have to determine this one, L sub p and L sub r, to see kung asa siya ng range, kung naa ba siya sa no instability, the inelastic nga region, or katong elastic nga region. So, from this, L sub p is equal to 8.692 feet. For L sub r, itong L sub r kay mo nagtaas-taas lang itong formula, no? L sub r is equal to this formula, 1.95, gani siya, E over 0.7 fy, square root of, kana, no? We have the following terms that will be needed in the computation of L sub r. This RT squared, R squared TS, square root of I sub y CW over S sub x.